Before you start performing the servicing steps shown here, be sure to read the operating instructions supplied with the product, including the safety instructions. This zero-gravity balancer model allows you to replace the cable without unloading the spring and disassembling the balancer. Pull out the cable as far as it will go. Push in the locking device of the cable extension limit stop, then pull out the cable as far as it will go and lock the cable drum using a screwdriver. Disengage the cable from the drum. Insert the new cable through the mouth of the housing and hang it into the cable drum. Make sure that the cable end engages correctly. Pull at the cable to tension it in a first step. Then unlock the cable drum. Guide the cable slowly back into the housing to let it coil up on the drum. Detailed information is also available at our website, www.federzug.com.